Join me in learning how to make all-purpose marinade sauce. Here is the list of ingredients and the items you'll need. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the following. First is to pour the olive oil. Then add the shoyu or soy sauce. Then the Worcestershire sauce. You have the option to add lemon juice. Stir the wet ingredients until well blended. Let's add the solid ingredients, starting with the minced garlic. Then add the dry or fresh parsley, finely chopped. Adding this is optional and you may add any herb as a personal preference. Let's add the spices, starting with the chili powder, some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and you have the option to add some sugar. Last but not the least, the ground black pepper. Mix it thoroughly until well combined. And there you have it, my go-to all-purpose marinade sauce. Use it for marinating beef, poultry, pork, or all of the above. Enjoy!